Hello all, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. In this video, we will learn about the lipoprotein A and lipoprotein X. For more educational stuff, you can visit my website www.livebiochemistry.com, where you will find MCQ, PowerPoint presentation, question papers and interactive videos and other materials regarding the biochemistry. Now coming to the lipoprotein A, it is written as LPA. So what is the structure of this lipoprotein A and why it is important and its clinical application we will see. So lipoprotein A is nothing but it is a LDL plus protein, or you can say polypeptide. Polypeptide. Okay. So the name of this protein or polypeptide, it is apo small a. Okay. So LDL with small apo-A, that is called as a lipoprotein A. So you can see in the diagram here, this is your LDL particle, and as we know, the major apoprotein in LDL is apo-B, apo-B 100. Okay, and along with the LDL, apo-A one protein, LDL with protein, the name of the protein is apo-A. Okay, and it is attached with the sulfide bond. Okay, so LDL with apo-A protein, that is called as a lipoprotein A. Okay, so again you can see this is a diagram. So this is a LDL molecule. Major apoprotein in LDL is apo-B 100, and along with the LDL, one protein called as a apo-A. So LDL with apo-A, that is equal to lipoprotein A. Okay, and as you can see, it is attached via the disulfide linkage. apo-A is attached with the LDL via the disulfide linkage. Now why this lipoprotein A is important? Okay, because lipoprotein A has a structural homology like plasminogen. Okay, you can see here. So lipoprotein A has a homology with the plasminogen. Now if we see the normal physiology, plasminogen, it is converted to plasmin, activated to plasmin, and that plasmin will bind with the fibrin. You can see this is a fibrin and plasmin will bind to it, and fibrin is lyse. So clot is lyse. As lipoprotein A has a homology with the plasminogen, this lipoprotein A will bind with the fibrin. So the plasminogen activation does not occur. So fibrin is not lyse. So leading to the clot, leading to the thrombosis. Okay. So in vasculature, there is a thrombosis, and that will lead to ischemia and cardiovascular events. So in patient with the family history of cardiovascular attacks, okay, and if lipid profile is normal, always do the level of lipoprotein A. So if family history is positive for cardiovascular events, okay, always do the lipoprotein A level. If it is more than 30 milligram per deciliter, it is a high risk for cardiovascular mortality. Okay, and in Indian population, it is higher than the Western population, lipoprotein A level. Okay, high level, and mainly in the South Indian region. Okay, so this lipoprotein always perform lipoprotein A level when lipid profile is normal and family history of cardiovascular events. Okay, so this is all about lipoprotein A. Now what is lipoprotein X? Okay, as we know, normally cholesterol is converted to bile salt with the 7-alpha hydroxylase enzyme, okay, in the bile. But whenever there is a cholestasis, obstruction to the flow of the bile, in that case cholesterol is accumulated, and accumulated cholesterol bind with the phospholipid, and cholesterol with phospholipid, it is called as a lipoprotein X, and this lipoprotein X is a marker of cholestasis. Okay, so this is all about the lipoprotein A and lipoprotein X. Okay, so if I revise again, lipoprotein A, okay, it is LDL with ApoA. Okay, while lipoprotein X is cholesterol with phospholipid. If we see the difference between lipoprotein A and ApoA, okay, so in lipoprotein A, major lipoprotein is LDL, while in apoprotein A, it is a major constituent of the HDL. This lipoprotein A, as it has a similarity to the plasminogen, homology with the plasminogen, it is atherogenic. Okay, while HDL, it is anti-atherogenic. I hope you find this information helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, please write it into the comment section and also give me feedback in your comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.